This video explains the concept of prepared statements in PHP, specifically for MySQL databases. Prepared statements enhance security by ensuring safe database queries. Prepared statements are precompiled SQL statements that can be executed multiple times with different parameters. Instead of sending the SQL query to the database every time, it is sent only once. Then, only the parameters are sent to the database. Consider a scenario where user input is directly inserted into an SQL query. This is a vulnerable code example. The code retrieves a username and password from the POST request and then constructs an SQL query to select data from the user's table. This is extremely dangerous as it exposes the application to SQL injection attacks. Any user can potentially manipulate the query to gain unauthorized access or modify data. Here's an example of how an SQL injection attack can be performed. If a user enters admin followed by 1 equals 1 as the username and any value for the password, the resulting query selects all data from the user's table where the username equals admin or 1 equals 1. Since 1 always equals 1, this condition always evaluates to true. This bypasses authentication, allowing an attacker to log in without the correct credentials. Prepared statements provide a secure solution to prevent SQL injection. Instead of directly embedding user input, a prepared statement uses placeholders indicated by question marks. The prepare method prepares the SQL query with the placeholders. The bind param method binds the user-supplied variables to the placeholders and specifies the parameter types. Finally, the execute method executes the query. This approach ensures that parameters are treated as data and are safely separated from the SQL logic, preventing malicious code from being injected. When using prepared statements, it's important to specify the correct data types for the parameters you are binding. S represents a string or text data. I represents an integer or whole number. D represents a double or decimal number. B represents a blob, for storing binary data such as images and files. This slide shows a complete example of an insert statement using prepared statements. The prepare method prepares the SQL query. Placeholders are used for the name, email, and age. The bind param method associates the variables with the placeholders and specifies the types of the parameters. Here, S denotes a string and I denotes an integer. The execute method executes the prepared statement, and finally, the close method closes the statement, freeing up resources. So there are 3 steps: prepare, bind parameters, and execute. Always use prepared statements for all database queries involving user input. Always close prepared statements after execution to free up resources. Reuse prepared statements for multiple executions to improve performance. Ensure that you match the parameter types with the actual data types to avoid errors. Prepared statements provide both security and performance benefits. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.